Hi guys, Lisa Schneiderman here. Well, we missed the deadline for the Oprah Winfrey contest to be the next host on her network. Totally bummed out right now. It's 2 a.m. June 27th on Sunday morning, and my incredible team here at Joseph Love Productions just uploaded the video about a couple hours ago, and unfortunately there was a technical glitch, so it didn't take. But good news is my misfortune is your gain, and we still want to do this show. It's called Live Your Legacy, and I want to hear about things that you're doing in your communities to make a difference and to live your legacy. So please take a look at the Oprah video that we created on my YouTube channel, Live Your Legacy TV, and also log on to liveyourlegacytv.com, sign up and send in your entries, and hopefully we'll be coming to your city soon to interview you about what you're doing in the world to live your legacy.